Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are gonna unbox and swatch Miya Himi Gouache set that I recently got. These jelly gouache cups have been quite popular and I was curious to give them a try and I'm so excited to finally get my hands on. So yeah, let's get started. If you are new here, please do consider subscribing to my channel. I share art tutorials every week and I would really appreciate your support. I got this set from Amazon. In case you wanna check them out, I have added a link in the description box down below. In case you're not aware, these are actually student grade gouache that come in these cute little jelly cups and each of them have around 30 ml of paint in it. Let me know in the comments what kind of paintings would you like to see using this gouache set. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. You can also check out some of my tutorials here. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon so you'll be notified for all my future videos. You can also follow me on Instagram for more updates. Happy painting. Bye.